Hello friends, everybody. Myself Upajita Jain, mother of Udit Jain. I am really very glad and happy that my child Udit Jain has scored a very good rank in JEE Advanced 2016. He is enrolled in 4-year classroom program and since 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, I am really thankful to all the FIITJEE faculty members who have inculcated so much concentration, dedication and hard work that the child has come out in such a good rank position. It's not that in a few days he has scored so much good marks. It's a long journey and a very hardship where from all the school efforts, the FIITJEE efforts, the family members all have put up so much great efforts to the child and the child has given such a good result. I am really thankful to all the faculty members of FIITJEE East Delhi Center that they have put up their hard efforts, put in each and every child, they find them that it is a universal child and they have put so much efforts that child has bring so much good rank not only in JEE Advanced, also in KVPY, Olympiads and other competitive exams too. As a mother, I would like to say to everyone, to each and every single parent, that first of all understand your child's nature, his ambition, his interest, whatever it may be, his passion, and slowly and gradually notice those efforts and then make them join what they want and what their needs would be fulfilled. I come to know in 8th and 9th that my child is have a very much interest in maths. So for that he needs a direction, the path, where to go. From my cousins I come to know a few coaching centers, but I was not confident because I am very much, my ultimate goal is that we have to teach the children. So I was against any coaching or something like tuitions. But then I forwarded there, why? There was such a reason that my child, once he gradually grows up, not paying attention to mother or to any parent because the surroundings were like this. So I made him join in 4-year classroom program. I went there and when I met there the faculty members, I was fully convinced that this is the right choice and the right stage where the child has to get enrolled. Now earlier stage it was a bit cumbersome for him to go to school as well as to go in same phase with the FIITJEE studies also. The study material which they gave and the study material given by the school was a little bit different because we have to pace further. Once we have to achieve the target, we have to look forward. So that's what FIITJEE East Delhi Center aims for. In 10th, first exam he gave for NTSE. In NTSE stage 1 he cleared and for NTSE stage 2 he was left just for 0.3 marks and that disheartens him. And that disheartens doesn't affect his studies, we have to cope up. Here the family members which to come right back, they support him that it is not that stage where you lacks. This is the first obstacle which you have to overcome. And from this, when he comes to 11th, 9th, 10th, when he got very good marks in 10th or school board also, in 11th, he got so many competitive exams and got very good. He cleared all the competitive exams. I can name them also, like in KVPY, stage 1 he cleared. Then again stage 2 once he slips off, he comes in 12th and he cleared off. AIR rank 3rd he scored in KVPY 2016. So it's not that once you get any type of low marks then don't dishearten. This is what the faculty members, they push up, doesn't matter. And they have given in spite of their given coachings, regular coachings, they made them sit the child. They doesn't matter for the timings, they are not for the time boundings also. I can sure that my child goes for the other classes also. They used to sit with him, make him clear all the doubts, all the maths questions. I used to see him, whatever the time it may be, he is there, comfortable. Mama, I am there only, I am just solving my questions, don't worry. And this is what the cooperation needs from both the sides. It's two-way give and take. FIITJEE East Delhi Center has given their efforts and that has nourished and inculcated in the child and groom up as a tree, as a long and a devastating thing. It's no doubt that every parent wants their child to be number one. But everybody can't be number one, this is also the fact. But how could we sustain there and achieve that position was done by FIITJEE. I attended all PTMs, there were so many doubt session classes were also there, as well as the assignments, the worksheets they used to give were very much helpful for the child. In PTMs also, I very well knew for the first medium when I attended there, sir told me that he is very naughty. He used to distract all the students, he covers, he fulfills his all the questions and then he used to distract. Then what the alternative they suggest? They suggest I'll give him more questions and more assignments so the child will be involved in that. The theory, whatever they opted out, was very much beneficial for him. And I was feeling confident day by day that he will secure not only the clearance of JEE but attain very good rank. And this was not the first stage. From the very early beginning, the goal which was to clear IIT has attained to make the rank under 100. So this was the efforts, the regular assignments, the regular AITS exams. I really am very much thanks to the center that they have just enrolled the child in AITS. They are the children, they come to know what their potential is. We need the competition definitely from all the children. They come to know that where they stand for and what the shortcomings are there. So these AITS exams, corporate test, face test, all these really help to the children, and I was really confident that now my child will be nowhere, the surroundings, everything is so nice that he will not get and go anywhere. In class 12th, the session which was so much I say panicking. The FIITJEE center, they have just taken out all the weakness of the child, strengthens his potentiality, his capability. I come to know, when once I just see to him that last 3 months were so much tension. I was very much worried with why you are not concentrating on CBSE exams and all, because there the marks will be counted. He said, don't worry, all the exams and this study material will be far enough for me for the 12th class also. And he got very good marks in CBSE exams also, 95%. I was very much thankful to that also, that the stage which was very crucial, the child was not tilted anywhere and what he grew up was shown in this JEE Advanced. Last but not the least, I would like to say everybody that whatever coaching center you choose, first of all see what your child need is. And from my point of view, if you ask, I will say that FIITJEE is the best. I am satisfied, you will be also satisfied, and not only satisfaction but appreciation and enhancement too. Thank you.